Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis, and on today's episode of Squad Busters, I'm gonna show you how to switch between accounts in this game. So let's dive right in. So start by locating the 3-stripe line on the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see your current ID connected with the game, so just tap on Open ID. Now, in this page, just tap on the setting icon. From here, just scroll down a little bit and you should see an option to switch account. Just tap on it. Now, if you have signed in with another account before, you will be able to find it in the switch account section. But if you haven't connected any other IDs or accounts before, then you can just tap in Login to Supercell ID. Now just tap on Continue. Now here, just type in your email address that your Supercell ID is linked to. After you put in your email ID, just tap on Login. Here, Supercell will send the verification code to your email address. Just go to your email address and copy the code and paste it in the box. Here, Supercell has sent me a verification code. So I'll just type in 332945 in the box. So 332945. And I'll just tap on Submit. Now Supercell has recognized my ID and is saved data. So I'll just tap on Confirm to load the game account. You can see here my ID has been switched. So that's it for today's video. If you found any confusion following the steps, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.